get like really beaten with it.
There's no power plant.
No power plants.
So this is all still this property?
I believe it is.
I wonder how, I mean, how far it goes over to their, where their property line
goes
starts.
right there down to that end.
To this
point,
to that
yeah.
tree. I mean, but the kids could be back. You wouldn't have to worry about the kids being back here playing. That's fine, like in this tree area. And then probably where the grass starts looking nice is theirs.
What a beautiful day.
Gorgeous. We deserved it after the
I know.
craziness.
I said my kids, I think they think they're going to get on the jet skis.
I wouldn't walk down that way. It's really steep slope.
Okay.
This I'm not sure this is. I'll go down and start.
I'll turn the camera off in case we slide.